one of the last super family-friendly, budget-friendly parks in the United States. You can get in the door without riding rides at all. Anyone can walk in the park. There's a few exceptions. It has to do with teenagers on holidays, but anyways, for the most part, anyone can walk around. You can let your kids go on little kiddie rides, and you can even bring food into Waldameer. I'm so appreciative that they've kept it this way. And we are so excited about the new slide and can't wait to show you our sneak peek. When I was a kid, the biggest roller coaster here was the Comet, so I thought I was so cool riding on it. But now there's a whole bunch more rides that are for the thrill seekers. We're here at Chaos, and Fiona said it's so fun going upside down, and she said when you're upside down, you can see the water park that's over there. To explain just how fast the Music Express goes, you have to be 52 inches tall to ride it, which is one of the highest height requirements in this park. Barrio and I have found a spot by the Ravine Flyer 2 in the shade to chill. That's one great thing about Waldameer is you can reserve picnic areas, or they also have areas that say open for anyone to just come and have a picnic without reserving it ahead of time, or to chill in the shade. So the Ravine Flyer is so epic to me and my generation because we heard there was going to be a roller coaster that went over the road for our whole childhood, and people just thought we were making it up. It was in the newspaper one time, but it never happened. So then when we were in college, they actually made this roller coaster that goes over the road. So still everyone in our generation is like, we can't believe there's actually a roller coaster that goes over the street. Who doesn't love a water ride on a hot day? Is there a ride here that looks the most fun to you? My favorite is definitely Thunder River. It actually has a pretty steep hill, and there's nothing like getting wet on a super hot day, which it seems to always be a hot day when I come here. Let us know which one looks like the most fun to you in the comments. I'm dying to hear. When I was a kid, me and my bestie Courtney, when this ride was put in, we were in 4th grade, and we would sit on the very end, and when we got as high as we could up in the sky, we'd kind of like stand up and see how high we could get in the air. I don't do that anymore. An excellent way to get a view of the park from up above in a chill way is the Sky Ride. There's a few places in Waldameer where you can see a view of the lake. Some are more scary than others. There's the Ferris wheel, there's the Alibaba, the big coaster, Mega Vortex. Those ones you can for sure see Lake Erie, and sometimes it's a beautiful relaxing view, and sometimes for me it's like, there's the lake before you drop, you know? Welcome to Kiddie Land, where you basically only need to be 30 inches to ride most of these rides. And you need to be under 54 inches. So the girls' favorite treat in the park might be Dippin' Dots, but mine is for sure the Monster cookies. At least every other year. I love them. Chocolate chip. 2 of them smashed together with some icing in the middle and some eyeballs to make them more fun. Let's go see if they have them today. So I see the cookies they make them out of, but I don't see the Monster cookies. I guarantee the cookies are super soft, super moist, and yummy. And maybe just since it's the first weekend that it's open for the year, they haven't made them yet. Fingers crossed. But the most iconic food here is from the potato patch. They give you huge wedges cut from real potatoes, and the toppings that they've traditionally had are gravy and cheese to go on them. We'll see if they still have it. So these are russet Idaho potatoes, it says. Totally not how they used to like just have a potato there and cut them into big chunks. But to be honest, they look like they taste better now. Yes, it's 100% delicious. Now that I'm a puppy mama, I'm really thrilled how dog friendly it is here at the park. They even have a water fountain just for them. The north end down here is one of the newest additions to the park. When I was growing up, even as a teenager, this simply wasn't even here. It's cool stuff, let's check it out. We're so excited to do Waterworld video once the rocket blasters finish the newest slide. It is going to be 800 feet long, the longest slide and the tallest slide, and it goes not only above but under and around other slides. It should be so fun. It's for 4 people to ride at a time. So they emailed Talia, our little lifeguard girl, and they said they need friends and family to test out this slide. They have to get a certain amount of runs in before they can officially open it to the public. So we're off to sign our lives away, and little hitch, it is 60 degrees today Fahrenheit. Currently raining. Hopefully that's going to stop really soon and we can test out this slide. Is anyone excited? Yes! What do you guys think about being the only ones in the park? Come on, let's go! Yay! I can't wait to go on it! How is the rocket blaster?
It's so fun, but when you're at the top of like the blue hill, the water splashes on you a lot. It's like a bucket of water. It's really cold.
So we rode it 10 times. Okay, Gia rode 11. The rest of us rode 10 times, and we highly suggest you get out and try it. It was so much fun. We did it in 60 degrees weather over and over and over. You gotta try it. If you haven't yet, Smarshy here would love for you to subscribe to catch more of his videos. Oh, and Bari too. We do some travel, some wedding, and critter fun. Thanks for watching, guys.